watch me do my full glam makeup routine. So I did just the basics. After foundation, concealed my forehead, under my eye, on my nose, beneath my nose, and on my chin. I used an orange lipstick as cream blush to bring a pop of color to my cheekbones. I then set my face and I went on to the eyeshadow. The Zicol Cosmetics powder palette, I contoured and powdered my face. For eyeshadow, I use my Nude Story palette from Blossom Cosmetics Niger. For this nude look, I used a peachy brown, cream, and white for my inner corner. To be honest, when I started this video, I didn't know the eyeshadow palette I was going to use, but it turned out well in the end. Yes, it did turn out well. I fixed my lashes off camera, and of course, the makeup is not done without setting spray. So here is the final look, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and